Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning. In this session, I will cover the concept of object-oriented programming. Upon finishing this lecture, students should be able to explain concept of class and object, design class with attributes and methods, create an object from the class, and invoke methods using the object. A class is the blueprint for an object. It specifies the attributes. As you can see here, I have declared 4 attributes. Attribute 1 in line 24, attribute 2 line 25, attribute 3 line 26, and an array of characters attribute 4 that is in line 27. So for each attribute, I have already declared the data type: integer, double, character, and array of characters. It specifies the methods as well. So you can see that I have set attribute 1 methods, set attribute 2, set attribute 3, set attribute 4, get attribute 1, get attribute 2, get attribute 3, and get attribute 4. These are all the methods. These are all the methods for class sample 1. The class name is sample 1. The implementation of each methods of each method is ready in line 41 until 44. That is the set attribute 1 method. Line 46 until line 50 is the method for set attribute 2. Line 52 until line 56, you can see the set attribute 3 method. And line 58 until line 63, that is the implementation of set attribute 4 methods. There are other methods: get attribute 1, line 65 until 66, line 68 until 69, get attribute 2, line 71 until line 72, get attribute 3 method, and line 74 until line 75 is the implementation of get attribute 4 method. Next, in the main program, I have declared an object, or basically I have created an instance for class sample 1. The name of the object is object 1. I can use the object to invoke the methods that have been implemented in class sample 1. So the general format is the object name dot method name. So I have object 1 dot set attribute 1, object 1 dot set attribute 2, similar to set attribute 3 and set attribute 4. I am using the object 1 to invoke the methods. As I have already mentioned here, in line 13, an object has 2 general criteria. First, an object can store data. The data stored in an object are commonly called attributes or fields. So, object 1 just now, it contains 4 attributes: attribute 1, attribute 2, attribute 3, and attribute 4. So these are called, line 24 until line 27, they are called attributes or fields. Another general criteria is that an object can perform operations. The operations that an object can perform are called methods. Okay, so basically we invoke the methods. So how to invoke the methods? You can see the content of the main program here. In line 81 until line 84, we use object 1 to invoke the setters. Okay, the set methods. And in line 86 until line 89, okay, in the case where the methods are returning the values, okay, what I did here actually, I use cout statement to display the values returned by the getters or by the get methods. So line 86 until line 88, okay, I use cout statement to display the values returned from get attribute 1, get attribute 2, and get attribute 3 methods. In line 89, okay, I am not using any cout statement. Okay, if you observe the method get attribute 4 in line 74, I do not have any return value type. It is a void method. Okay, instead of returning a value, in get attribute form method, it display the content of attribute 4. So I have my cout statement in line 75 to display the content of attribute 4. So therefore, in line 89, when I want to use the get attribute 4 method, okay, I just use the object dot get attribute 4 is the method name. So that is the end of this session. Thank you.